Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm not adding any other parts to any of the existing series, but I am doing a Let's Play. It's gonna be more focused on New Year's makeup. So I'm gonna do some kind of like dramatic wearable looks that you can use and stunt the people that you go celebrate New Year's with. So the first look I wanna do is a super graphic eyeliner with some sequins. Sequins! Those are the queens from the sea. With some sequins on top of it, kind of like the Pat McGrath shade glitter, like on top of her eyeliner. If you saw her Instagram, we're doing sequins, and I'm doing a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna start off. Actually, I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and I'll just get it started. As usual, I have everything because I want this to be a super bold, dramatic look. My eyebrows are super bold and dramatic. I use a little bit of black on top of the brown to make them stand out even more and give them more of a prominent shape. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start. I'm going to use my NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And then I'm just gonna go into a brown shadow. I'm gonna use Entrapment from the Mothership 5 palette. And I'm just contouring the eye on the inner corner. So we're just giving it a little bit of a definition. Okay, now we're gonna start with the eyeliner. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna use the smoky eyeliner brush from Laura Mercier just to draw the shape. And I think I'm gonna use a harder brush for the outer part to draw the line. And I'm using Kat Von D's pomade in Graphite, which is the black one. And I have my eyes open, and I'm kind of like drawing with my eye open just to make sure that I'm covering the crease, because that's the idea with this look. Okay, there we are. So now I'm going to do the outer corner. And I kind of want the wing to kind of start here. Bye. And we want to create all this dark space so that way, we can see the sequins. And we can see the shape of the eye when we have the eye open. Alright, there we have it. Now I'm going to fill it in really quickly. I'm going to use my trusty Dior brush, and we're just going to finish winging it out to where the brows are, so really far. Okay, there we are. Let's do the other side. Okay, and I'm gonna do the bottom, and I'm gonna fill this in with black so it's super black. So let me grab the dark star, dark matter shadow, and we'll proceed from there. Okay, so I'm going to use the smoky liner brush with the dark matter, and I'm also going to clean up these lines as well. You can see how much cleaner that is in this. Okay, to my standards, this looks good. Now we're gonna do the bottom, we're gonna connect the whole thing. Okay, so I'm just grabbing a little bit more dark matter. I'm just gonna start working it into the bottom of the eye. Alright, that's it for the eyeliner part. I'm gonna line the inner part as well with a little bit of pencil eyeliner. And I'm using True Spirit Cosmetics black gel liner. Okay, now comes the fun part, gluing the sequins. So I gotta try to glue them wherever the black is to make it like super cool. Let me get the sequins and we'll get this started. Okay guys, so I have the sequins right here. I'm gonna use the black ones. So these ones I got at Michael's, it was like $6. It is not tested for the eye, so if you have ones that you bought from MAC, those are probably better. But I want to use these because I like the shape of these. So I gotta be extra careful not to hurt myself. If you're under 18, you gotta ask your fucking parents and stop swearing. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of the, that seems like a really bad idea. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of the glue onto the plate where I have the sequins. And we're painstakingly gluing them one by one with the tweezers. Oh my god, it's starting! I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually brush it. I'm gonna brush some of the glue onto my eye with the Kevin Aquan. I'm just gonna grab these bitches and pack them onto the eye. And hopefully it works. Okay guys, unfortunately, this is so annoying. The camera died while I was putting the glitter and I just didn't stop, you know, because I don't have all day to put the glitter. But I'll tell you really quickly how I did it. It's not complicated at all. So, I started putting them individually one by one. But then I just grabbed the glue, you know, with the Kevin Aquan brush. I laid it very lightly on top of the entire lid and I just went with the glitter, you know, kind of like this, and I pressed it onto the lid. Once it was dry, I did the same thing again on top of it to create, you know, like that really rich texture. And then for the bottom ones, I used a little tweezer and a little bit of glue and I just placed them there. I'm sorry I didn't catch it on camera. Hopefully you guys can forgive me. If you have any questions about it, you can put it in the comment section down below. But yeah, this is the look. It came out really cool. It's very festive. I love that the wing is super bold. You know, it covers my entire eye and it makes it even bigger. And you can see like the brows when I started the video, they were overpowering my eyes, but now the eyes overpower the brows just by a little bit, but they balance each other out pretty nicely. I am using Christie and Celestial, you know, that combination that I've been using lately, because I feel like it looks the best in my, you know, for my kind of nudish type of look. And I am wearing a little bit of Hot Twist blush. Anyways, I'm gonna be putting photos, videos, as you know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell button so you're notified when I have new videos. I think I'll be posting more New Year's Eve type of content, you know, so expect more glitter, more bold, because I want everybody to look as good as possible, make that impact, and show them haters what's up. Anyways, don't forget to like and share the video. I will see you guys on the next one.